My name is Sarah, and I'm a baker in a lively little town. I've been known far and wide for my delicious bread. But one day, something strange happened. My bread came out flat and tasteless. I was baffled, but I knew I had to find out what went wrong. I decided to take a closer look at my recipe and started changing one thing at a time. I tried different flour first, but the bread still came out flat. I felt a bit discouraged but didn't lose hope. Next, I tested the water, salt, and sugar, but my bread just wouldn't improve. I knew I couldn't give up, so I decided to give a yeast a try. I replaced the old yeast with a fresh batch and hoped for the best. When I opened the oven, I could hardly believe my eyes. My bread was back to its usual fluffy and delicious state. The townspeople were thrilled, and my bakery was once again the heart of our little community. In the end, my determination and willingness to try new things helped me find the solution to my problem. My story is a reminder that when we face challenges with a curious mind and a never give up attitude, we can overcome even the most puzzling mysteries.